Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to get tax refund on Cash App. So, as you know guys, Cash App allows users to receive tax refunds directly into their Cash App balance guys via direct deposit. Here is the full guide guys how to get this refund to your Cash App balance. So first of all, you need to get app Cash App account and routing number. So you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click the bank icon in the bottom left menu, scroll down and tap direct deposit, and you need to select get account number and enable direct deposits. And after that, you need to copy your account and the routing number. And now let's go to the most important step, enter Cash App details on your tax return. So when you are filing the taxes through the IRS or a tax software like TurboTax, H&R Block, and etc. guys, choose direct deposit as the refund method. Guys, this is very important. You need to choose direct deposits and you need to enter your Cash App account and routing number where it's required. For bank type, you need to select checking and you need to wait for your refund. The IRS typically issues refunds within 21 days if filled electronically and with direct deposit. So you can track your refund status on the IRS. Where's my refund tool? You can see the URL is right here and you'll be notified guys. Cash App will notify you when the refund is deposited. The funds will be available in Cash App balance, so the funds will be available in Cash App balance and you can use it immediately. Additional tips guys, also this is very important, you need to ensure your tax return details match your Cash App account information. Double check your account and routing number to avoid deposit errors. And if there is an issue with your refund, check with the IRS or your tax prepaper. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.